Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Fisker Inc. Beginner guide step by step clearly. Investing in Fisker Inc. can be an exciting opportunity. Begin by researching Fisker Inc. to understand the company's mission and product line. Visit the official Fisker website and read about their electric vehicles and technology. Check out recent news articles and press releases related to Fisker to stay updated on developments. Next, open a brokerage account if you don't already have one. Choose a brokerage that fits your needs, considering factors like fees, available tools, and customer support. Once your account is set up, deposit funds to start investing. Now, decide how much you want to invest in Fisker Inc. Use the brokerage's search function to locate Fisker Inc. by its ticker symbol, FSR. Review the stock performance and key statistics to assess its current value. Place a market order if you want to buy shares at the current price. Alternatively, consider placing a limit order to set your own buy price. After purchasing, monitor your investment regularly. Stay informed about Fisker's performance and potential market changes. Consider diversifying your investment portfolio to manage risk. Evaluate your investment strategy periodically to align with your financial goals. Remember, investing is a long-term commitment, so be patient and stay the course. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.